Hey friends, if you wish to install LightShot on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Search for store in the Windows search bar and then go to the Microsoft Store. Search for LightShot in the search bar and hit enter. Then you won't find it here because it is not an app that is available here. We have GreenShot but not LightShot. So the only way to download and install it is from its original website, and you'll have to go to the download page and then click on download for Windows and then click on this exe file. Now I'll tell you what happens when you install this. But first of all, let it be installed. Search for LightShot and try to open the app. It opens nothing. It opens nothing. Why? Because it is hidden here and you can only use it to take a screenshot, or you can also take a screenshot using print screen. Now the excellent part about this application is that it has all the editing options right up on the screenshot itself. So I would say that if you're not happy with the sniping tool, you can consider it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.